truly understand the observer, observing, and observed, you have to wake up to your own true nature. And that is possible by dissolving the mind, dismantling the mind, and asking yourself, who am I? Again, to make that observer, observing, observed make sense, you have to dismantle the mind thoroughly. And thoroughness is a preparation to make it click when you ask yourself, who am I? Until then, it's not possible to grasp that concept truly. If you're trying to understand that concept without the truth, it's outwardly. So, outwardly and inwardly, understanding this approach is totally different. Okay. So, try to make this journey possible, to make yourself free from inner conflict and fear. Dismantle your mind, dismantle your drama, dismantle your fear, dismantle your attachment, dismantle your daily friction. Work on your daily friction. Trace it back. Why the friction? Why the fight is there in the first place? To see the truth of who you are, understand the observer, observing, observed. To get to that point, you can, work on day-to-day friction. Day-to-day friction can lead you to see the absolute truth, the unchanging truth in you. Okay? I hope this makes sense to some extent. This concept outwardly is much easier to understand. The inward is not possible until the awareness is aware of its own nature. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy holiday. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Okay? Take care. Bye.